Hello YouTube, hopefully this is working now. I had a bit of trouble with my last video code I switched to Ubuntu, something like that on the lines of that. I tried a different way this time, just giving you an overview of what I've done to record my desktop on Ubuntu 11.4. I thought there should be an online place where you can just record your desktop and you don't have to download anything, it's all online and run by Java, and there is, and Java does run on Ubuntu and it runs quite well. So I was looking, it's called Screen R. So there you go, there's the website, just check that out. That is if this was working now, it'd be a great site, and I'm probably using it. The only trouble with it though is it's only 5 minutes you can have on it, so I'll keep this video quite short. So, in the last video, I'll put the link in the description, it did not show the actual desktop, it just was very glitchy and didn't show much. So what I'm going to do is go over the actual features of Ubuntu 11.4. So, when you first get onto it, if you use 10.10 or anything before that, then you are going to see a massive difference here. Now it looks like a Windows Super Bar, they called it, but it's put to the left. That's what I call it. I call it a dot, but some people call it some other things what Ubuntu wants it to be called. I prefer this 11.4 Unity desktop than 10.10. Why? Because 10.10 you had to scroll down and then find it that way. You couldn't actually search for it. I'm more a keyboard person, so if I just go and search for something like record desktop, there it is straight away. So that's why I actually use, and that's why I use it as a default thing on my laptop. So I'll just go through the actual features now. So at the side you have this dot, and it's called something else, but I'll just call it a dot for now. And you have your default web browser, which is Firefox. On OMG Ubuntu, they actually announced that more people are actually using the new version of Firefox web browser and not using the Chrome one. I'm actually using the Firefox one now because it's much easier and better than the Chromium one, which is this one. I'll probably take that off now. And all you do to take it off is just right click, and it says Clipping Launcher, it says tick, but then you need to untick it and then it'll go away. You have all your Office things straight here now. As you can see, you have all your Office applications to use. Sorry. They include Word, processing words, and PowerPoints and stuff like that. So the basic. This is LibreOffice, not OpenOffice. They actually changed it a while back. As ever, Ubuntu Software Center is still there. It's actually getting a makeover. There will be a video coming up on that. OMG Ubuntu announced it a day ago. So if we just open that and see what it looks like, there you go. It's about the same, but it's got new ratings and stuff like that. As you can see here, and featured and what's new. And also, when you actually get to it, this will be different. What it'll do is come up in a big screen. So what it does is like Mac, and it integrates it into the top bar here, and the X button and the minimise and the maximise or minimise to a window is still there. So the next one down, Ubuntu One. This is to synchronise your files to their web servers, to store your data in case it gets lost, stolen or damaged, or you know what I mean. It's really good. They have actually put it up to 5 gig now. So, and you can also pay some money to get a premium account. I would recommend doing that. And that's the Cheese webcam booth. I actually had to download this off the Ubuntu Software Center. Workspace switcher is here. As you can see, you can switch through different windows, and it's really easy. I love it. So as a whole, I would really recommend using on your desktop PC or on your laptop, because it's really good, and it actually saves power on your computer actually. I was using Windows 7 before this, as you obviously know from the video you watched before, but the video capture didn't work, so I messed about this time, and I'm recording this actual video with the part 2 bit, but I've linked it together with YouTube editor. I'm using this with Cheese, so I'm just checking out what the quality is like on here as well. So the power is good on it. It actually saves quite a lot of power, doesn't use as much power because it doesn't run as much as Windows does. And also when you boot up, it doesn't use as much as Windows does. So I would really recommend, if you try it, you can put it on a live CD and try it that way. So that's about it from this video, the overview of Ubuntu 11.4. If you are actually sick of the Unity interface, you can change back to GNOME 2, which you can do by logging out, and then there's a little thing at the bottom and it says just Ubuntu, then you need to put Ubuntu Classic in there, and once you've done that, it'll come into the GNOME 2. GNOME 3 is actually coming out hopefully in the next Ubuntu 11.10. I think it looks a bit like Unity, but I don't know. But looking forward to that. So thank you for watching this video today. Remember to rate, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.